Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about something we all use almost every single day, the QR code. In India, QR codes completely changed the way we make payments. From chai stalls to metro stations, they're everywhere. It's safe to say QR codes are one of our country's greatest innovations for digital transactions. But here's the flip side, while they've made life easier, they've also created new opportunities for hackers and scammers. In today's video, we'll break down how QR scams actually work, share real examples from India and abroad, and give you practical tips to protect yourself. Quick question for you, when was the last time you scanned a QR code, and did you even think twice before doing it? Comment below. I want to see how cautious my audience really is. So, how can a simple QR code turn into a cybersecurity threat? Think of a QR code as just a shortcut. It's basically a hidden link inside a square pattern. When you scan it, your phone follows the instruction it could take you to a website, open a payment page, or even download a file onto your device. And that's exactly where the risk comes in. Scammers exploit the fact that all QR codes look alike. You can't tell a safe one from a dangerous one just by looking. They print fake QR codes on stickers, posters, and even receipts. And because people trust them, they scan without thinking twice. Let me ask you, do you think most people even know QR codes can be hacked? Or do they believe scanning is always safe? Drop your opinion below. In Pune, 2023, a man was selling his bike online. A buyer said, "I'll send you an advance through UPI. Just scan this QR code to receive the money." Sounds normal, right? But when the seller scanned, expecting 20,000 rupee to come in, money went out instead. Why? Because it wasn't a receive QR at all. It was a collect request. 20,000 rupees got debited from his account and went straight to the scammer. This scam became so common that NPCI, the body behind UPI, had to restrict peer-to-peer collect requests to reduce fraud. Quick poll for the comments, if you were in that seller's shoes, would you have scanned the QR without checking? Be honest, yes or no. In Delhi metro stations and cafes, posters appeared saying, "Scan here for free Wi-Fi." Tempting, right? But instead of Wi-Fi, scanners were redirected to a fake login page asking for emails and banking details. In some cases, the QR pushed hidden malware onto phones, giving attackers access to contacts, photos, and even banking apps. This is a textbook case of social engineering, making something dangerous look harmless. What about you? If you saw a QR promising free Wi-Fi in a cafe, would you scan it or ignore it? Comment below, scan or ignore. QR scams aren't just in India, they're global. In Texas, 2022, scammers placed fake QR stickers on parking meters. Drivers scanned, thinking they were paying for parking. But the code led to a fake payment site. Money went to criminals, and victims later got fined for unpaid parking. Different country, same trick, replace trust with deception. Do you think Indian cities should worry about similar parking QR scams in the future? Yes or no, drop it in the comments. In Mumbai restaurants, fraudsters printed duplicate QR codes on table tents, "Pay your bill here." Customers scanned, paid, but money went to the fraudster's account. Restaurants only realized after complaints, when payments didn't match the tables served. Simple, clever, and devastating. Question for you, do you usually check the name of the receiver before approving UPI payments, or do you just trust the QR? Comment, check or trust. Cybercriminals also embed QR codes in phishing emails. Instead of a suspicious link, you see a QR code saying, "Scan to verify your account" or "Scan to claim your reward." Scanning takes you to fake portals that steal Google, Microsoft, or banking credentials. Even corporate employees have fallen for this trick, making it one of the fastest growing global threats. Would you ever trust a QR code inside an email? Yes or no, let's hear it in the comments. From a cybersecurity perspective, QR scams succeed because 1. Anonymity. Anyone can print a sticker and paste it. Tracing is hard. 2. Instant execution. The moment you scan, the action runs. Unlike phishing emails, QR codes feel natural. Scanning is second nature now. That's why awareness is the real defense. Do you think QR scams are scarier than phishing emails? Comment QR or email. So, how do you protect yourself? Double check the source before scanning. Verify payment receiver's name. Avoid random public QR codes. Use antivirus security apps that scan links inside QR codes. Enable transaction alerts. Voice or SMS confirmations help spot fraud instantly. Businesses should use tamper-proof QR displays. Cybersecurity is about layers. Every extra check makes scams harder. Which of these tips do you already follow? Tell me in the comments. QR codes are one of India's greatest digital innovations, but convenience without caution is dangerous. Before scanning, always ask, who gave me this QR? Does the page look genuine? Could it be a trap? With awareness and small habits, we can enjoy QR payments without becoming victims. Stay safe, stay alert, and as always, keep learning about cybersecurity. Final question for you, what do you think is the biggest QR scam risk in India right now? Fake payments, free Wi-Fi, or restaurant scams? Drop your vote.